Loyalam E-PAO tabi bakutimapu hitram susmitana namitangi pau pizari ahan bidak maru headline.
Cabinet mifamna VIP export hanhana bawarep laukre government na funding toba foreign trip sing sukakre. Jingtam thong manana chakona bohona bidak mapung fana santi lehenba mathoktai haina kemchana phongdorakli. Driver singna steering thadopagi khungjung chansin bahokre driver union na chief minister unakre pausapura featuring Cabinet mifamna VIP escort hanthana bawarep laukre government na funding toba foreign trip sing sukakre State asigi law and order amasung security ki fibam sing review tawkibaga lunana state government na officially oina laukiba decision amagi matung ina state asigi VIP sing the piramba security escort sing masing hantahana bawarep laukibaga lunana government na funding toba foreign trip sing kakre hari government ki warep asi ngarang chief minister Yumnam Khemchan Singh na preside tawduna mantripuki da leba chief ministers secretariat da ahan bo oina phamkiba cabinet meeting na laukibani hari officer source ki matung ina state government na laukiba decision asi prime minister Narendra Modi na state government ta officially oina appeal torokibagi matung inani hari ngarang phamkiba cabinet mifam aduda family welfare department gi makhada central government funding ga loinana auxiliary nurse amadi midwife ANM post puna Chamaga 100 Lonaba Ayaba Pikibaga Lunana government department singna recruit Tonabagi Damak Haidok Tanalariba Tongan posting that applied Tokiba sing that Jahi Ani election Piba Hanesu approved Toki Hari government applicants sing that Jahi Anigi election Pibada Ayaba Pikiba si state asida Lisingani Kundagi COVID-19 pandemic talk to not Matam Sana government Kitabak Thoram singing Tina Pakape Yadaba Horakiba ethnic conflict asina state asida Matam Sangna Charang na Batokiba sing asina Maram Oiragani Hari Nagataruk Fakibagi Matanga security agency singna CM da Atumba Pau Pikide Hana Awangbu New Mind of Hondorakli Me tara humdoida Nagataruk Fazan Kibagi Matanga security amasung intelligence agency singna chief minister Yumnam Khemchanda Achumba Paudam Pikide Hana Naga People's Front NPF Manipur State Unit ki President Awangbu New Mind of Hondokrai Langol Tarungda Leba Party asigi office ta pangthokpa paugi mifamamada mahakna haiki chief minister na handak Makhan village ta laklama matamda victim amasung Fazilubadagi thadorolaba hostage singna tamba paudam tabada angakwa pokhi investigating agency amadi security force na chief minister da aranba pautam silabra habigi chingningai oi naga mitam Fazilubagi thodok uhobe sing amadi thadorolaba hostage singna phongdokpa wafam official report ta mamita adrebasi chingningai oi awangmum nyumaina phongdor kipagi matung inna me tara hundaida lailon bai faida mioi tara nipan fazin kibagi manungda tarani thoi thadorok laga tarukti makhatana fazin duna thamhori thorak laba mioi sing aduna thodok adugi matangda marik chumba paudam pi kibaga lunena makhoibu faziluriba mioi sing adugi masak maming phawa mayek sing na phongdoki fazilubadagi thadorok laba mioi sing adu khwaidigi maru aina witness oina lofam thoi adubu police na hairiba mioi sing dudagi ngasi phawa makhalamatagi information longna bahonade haiki Former CM Biren Sabagi MP oina chalaba yana leire hari. Former Chief Minister N Biren matang thada lebak asigi oina Sabagi MP kulhomdoi join tawgadriba asida yauraba yana leire. BJP Central Leader singna N Biren Sabagi MP oina yauranaba yana kana khanari haina Indian Express ki report amana hari. Report asina makatana haribana mathan June thadagi upper house ki seat kulhomdoi hangnuna legadoriba asigi manungda Andhra Pradesh Karnataka amasung Gujarat ki seat mari Madhya Pradesh amasung Rajasthan ki seat ahum Meghalaya Manipur Jharkhand amasung Andhra Pradesh ki seat amam yauri Hiramasigi matangda Hanagi chief minister Nongthombam Birena Indian Express ta phongdokibada Rajya Sabagi member oina join tawnabagi pau asidi letare adubu hauji phawagi oina Hiramasiga mari lenena center gi luchingba singna hakthengna pau pirakpa leitri hari Delhi gi BJP luchingba amanasu development asi oithokpa yabagi chang yamna wangna leire Hiramasigi matangdasu khanaba leikhrei adubu aroiba phirepti party ki makok thongwa singna logadabani hari Mukesh Singh Imphal Yorkrai DGP gi oina order thokrai Manipur gi anaba Director General of Police oina khalaba Mukesh Singh asi Imphal da thongnare Imphal International Airport mahakpu Imphal West ki Superintendent of Police Sivakanta Singh na taram okhi Center na Cabinet Secretariat Secretary Security oina khankraba Rajiv Singh gi mahutta Mukesh Singh bu Inter-Cadre Deputation gi chahi ahungi oina Manipur da transfer torokibani ing kumjali singa maga chamapan Marfudara Taruki Bes ki AZUM UT Cadergi IPS officer asi Ladaki DCP oina Thopurami Manipulanga ki Department of Personnel and Administrative Reform Personnel Division ngasi thokiba order amana hayengdagi Kukisingna state asigi anoba DCP oina Thopuragani Cheragasida police officer ahum transfer tawkhre makhoi ahum adudi Asutosh Kumar Manitko gi chairman MD amasong Manipur Lok Ayuk ki director of inquiry L Kaluna Manipur Police Housing ki MD amadi Lari Dozina ADZ AP Modernization Intelligence LONI Hari Government Hindi Teachers College ke principal yauna staff amata leramdabadagi desamna solon singkrai Desamna lamdamasida quality education puraknaba changsilakhiba drive ki manung chana ngasisu Government Hindi Teachers College da inspection chathakre khongchat aduda school asigi principal yauna oja sing staff sing amasung mahiroi amata leramdabadagi desamna principal gi kas holon singkrai lonana hiramasi gi matangda mari lenari ba higher education gi director amasung commissioner na akamna miyeng changduna chapchabe action lokhakadabari haina oinam romesh na phongdokrai khongchat aduga mari lenana desam gi president oiram romesh na haikibada mahiroi lup asina lenga ki leireba institution sing da chatharakpa survey gi manung chanangasi Government Hindi Teachers College Chatagiba inspection aduda college asigi principal yauna teaching amasung non teaching staff ki officials sing yauna mahiroi amata leramdabasi laibak thibani college asigi repairing gi damakta leramba miyoi amana phongdokibada college asigi mahiroi khara MU da exam thaba chakhibadagi college asigi teaching amasung non teaching staff sing amata laktabani haina pawdam lakhi driver singna steering thadokpagi khongjang sangsin bahokrai driver union na chief minister unakrai Ukhrul Lambi gi TM kasomda militant singna Ukhrul tamna tangai fadna potlam sing puduna chaliba truck singda ambush tawduda miyoi ama hatkhiba aduga police personnel yauna kayana asokapan nangan khiba tawdoki matungda ngasidagi truck driver singna steering thadokpagi khongjang sangsin bahokrai driver singna Imphal Ukhrul Lambi khaktana tana Imphal Dimapur Lambi dasu steering thadokpagi khongjang sangsingani hari driver singi maikadigi national highway singa si ningthina ngak senduna reopen tawnana basu lenga ta taksilagani loinana ahenba security piduna asoi ngam thogandana basu phongdoki driver singna ngasi kaithal mambi da truck chamri rom panduna leriba mafam aduda laikhidraba driver adugi mafamda ikai khomnabu utpaga loinana khongjang jangsin bahauki amaromda ngasi all Manipur road transport drivers and motors worker union na chief minister unaduna thodok adugi matangda chap chaba thabak lokhana batak Union adugi general secretary Maimom Anil Maitena laikhidraba driver adugi imung manungi miyo shingo unakibani Chief Minister gi maikadagi Ukhrul tamna truck kayana chana thangnaba potlam sing puduna chapada attack chathaduna miyobagi punsi wanghan khiba adubu akanwa mongda yaning da phongdokpaga lunena imung manungi awabada saruk yari haiki gari thauduna miyamgi dama poputhuk supusing tawriba driver sing asongam thokhandana ba akanma thabak paikakadabani makhoi bongak shen ba habisi lengak asigi marueba pandamni hainasu phongdokhi Kukisingna Sangkai Khulmaya da Lambi Tawthokibadagi Imphal Ukhrul Lambi Faonakhidre Dimapurdagi Dagi Tadubi Fauraga Ukhrul da Port Pustina Bohonagadabani haina Ramuibana Phongdorakli Ngarang Ukhrul da security ki convoy ga loinana Ukhrul da cheng yauna chana thaknaba potlam sting pusinba FCI gi tata truck amada koki militant singna Imphal Ukhrul Lambi gi TM kasom khulmane mayada ambush tawduna West Bengal dagi driver Niti Kumar chahi 48 hatkhiba aduga Litan police station gi personnel ama Sokhan ki bathodok matung ngasi Litan police station gi manung chanba Sangkai village kuki khulmaya da protesters singna JCB sizinaduna lambi tawkhai kibadagi kari amata Faonakhidre press na phangwa pawgi source amagi matung inna Ukhrul amasung Kamjong district ki jaga singda kuki amasung naga khulai paiba ani gi marakta ngaihak leitana khuthoknariba thodo asiga mari lenena kuki singna national highway 202 Imphal Ukhrul lambi da hauzik blockade ki tabak chatharibani masigi laman khumbu man mongda naga singna su kuki tab khol singda potchai pushinbada athingba thamlibani adubu hariba athingba asi leina security ki convoy ga loinana Ukhrul da FCI gi cheng yauna chana thaknaba potlam sing pushina bokhone haibigi damak ngasi ayu anganbada Sangkai kholgi kuki singna JCB sizinaduna lambi adu toktholong khibani masina maram oiraga security force yauna makhal amatagi kari sing lambi asi Faonakhidre hari Kukisingna Sangkai Khulmaya da Lambi Tawthokibadagi Imphal Ukhrul Lambi Faonakhidre Dimapurdagi Tadubi Fauraga Ukhrul da Port Pustina Bohonagadabani haina Ramuibana Phongdorakli ngarang Ukhrul da security ki convoy ga loinana Ukhrul da cheng yauna chana thaknaba potlam sting pusinba FCI gi tata truck amada koki militant singna Imphal Ukhrul Lambi gi TM kasom khulmane mayada ambush toduna West Bengal dagi driver Niti Kumar chahi 48 hatkhiba aduga Litan police station gi personnel ama sokhan ki bathodok matung asi Litan police station gi manung chanba Sangkai village kuki khulmayada protesters singna JCB sizinaduna lambi Toukhaibadagi kari amata faunadre presna phangwa pawgi source amagi matung inna Ukhrul amasung Kamjong district ki jaga singda kuki amasung naga khulai paiba ani gi marakta ngaihak leitana khuthoknariba thodo asiga mari lenena Kukisingna National Highway 202 Imphal Ukhrul lambi da hauzik blockade ki tabak chatharibani masigi laman khumbu man mongda naga singna su kuki tab khol singda potchai pushinbada athingba thamlibani adubo hariba athingba asi leina security ki convoy ga loinana Ukhrul da FCI gi cheng yauna chana thaknaba potlam sing pushina ba khonai haibigi damak ngasi ayu anganbada Sangkai kholgi Kukisingna JCB sizinaduna lambi adu toktholom khibani masina maram oiraga security force yauna makhal amatagi kari sing lambi asi faunadre hari Government Hindi Teachers College ke principal yauna staff amata leramdabadagi tesamna solon singkrai Desamna lamdam asida quality education puraknaba changsilakhiba drive ki manung chana ngasisu Government Hindi Teachers College da inspection chathakrai khongchat aduda school asigi principal yauna oja sing staff sing amasung mahiroi amata leramdabadagi desamna principal gi kas holon singkrai lonana hiramasi gi matangda mari lenari ba higher education gi director amasung commissioner na akamna miyeng changduna chapchabe action lokhakadabari haina oinam romesh na phongdokrai khongchat aduga mari lenana desam gi president oiram romesh na haikibada mahiroi lup asina lenga ki leiriba institution sing da chatharakpa survey gi manung chanangasi Government Hindi Teachers College Tathakiba inspection aduda college asigi principal yauna teaching amasung non teaching staff ki officials sing yauna mahiroi amata leramdabasi laibak thibani college asigi repairing gi damakta leramba miyoi amana phongdokibada college asigi mahiroi khara MU da exam thaba chakhibadagi college asigi teaching amasung non teaching staff sing amata laktabani haina pawdam lakhi aroibada maroiba paw amuka hana pizari Cabinet Mifamna VIP export Hanhana Bawarep Lokre, government funding Toba foreign trips in Sukakre. Jing Tam Thong Manana Chapona Bohana Budak Mapung Fana Santi Lehenba Matokai Heineken Chana Kondoraki. Drivers in the steering Hadopuki Kunjun Tansin Bahokre, driver union at Minister Unakre.
Matang asida loyalam E-PAO na namitangi pao bibil lazare tabili bakuti mapu amuka hina kurumjani.